Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is a Nakama Noodles box. You can get one by going to www.meowboxjapan.com. That's meow spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. And you can use the Ramen Raider as a coupon code. And these boxes, I gotta say, have been among my absolute all-time favorite subscription boxes. There's 7 to 9 different varieties in each box. There's not only cups, bowls, and tray varieties, there's also pack varieties, which are very hard for me to come by. And I've been absolutely thrilled with the quality and what's been in these boxes. So let's crack it in and check out this month's box. Hey, neat. All right, so when you crack open one of these boxes, you're going to be greeted with this little leaflet, and it is mentioning that this is the Noodle Birthday Bash box for August 2024. And on the other side, there's this QR code, and you can scan this, and it'll give you access to a PDF that gives you information, background, cultural information, and much, much more about everything in the box. So I'm going to do that and come back and tell you about everything that's in here. All right, to start things off, from Myojo, we have the Chukazanmai Iron Tomato Hot and Sour Ramen. And yeah, the Chukazanmai line is very, very fancy stuff. This is a really big one, too. I don't know much about this particular variety, but I'm guessing this is going to be nice. And it has the sachet on the top of the cup. Next up, we've got Nissin Cup Noodle Spicy Ramen, and you might recognize the character right there, and that is Shin, which means spicy. This is a cup noodle variety, and yeah, this looks interesting. Looking forward to it. Next up, we have Myojo Charumera Aomori Stamina Tare Garlic Salt Yakisoba. So it's going to be a garlicky Shio yakisoba, and it's got the stamina sauce in it, and I want to say that has to do with the garlic. I can't remember, but there's this stamina sauce that I see in instant noodle varieties a lot lately. We'll give it a try. And very cool, a cold variety. This is Marushan's chilled Bukkake Sanuki style udon. So Bukkake just means splash, and so it's got a little splash of sauce. I'm guessing you cook this, drain it, rinse it with cold water, which will be interesting because of the fact that it's in a bowl. But yeah, we'll give this a try. Generally, these are really good, kind of like Hayashi udon. Wow, next up from Sapporo Ichiban, we have Super Mario Wonder Flavor Salt Ramen, and this is a Shio variety. I'm just going to read you what it says on the PDF. It says, "Look who showed up to the party, it's Mario." This is a classic Shio ramen that we actually included in the last month's box, and that was a bowl version, though. But with a unique twist, this pack features a Wonder Powder that adds a tasty tomato flavor to the soup for added umami flavor. Let's go. So this is cool. And there's tons of tie-in stuff like this over in Japan, and I never get my hands on it, so I'm stoked. And yeah, we made chashu this weekend. So I've got chashu, narutomaki, I've got eggs marinating in the fridge. I think I'm going to do this one tomorrow. I'm stoked. And here's a Marushan variety. This is Marushan Menzukuri Miso Maze Soba. So I'm guessing that this is going to be kind of thick. I may have had this. I've had a lot of from this range. But yeah, we'll see. And here we've got an Ace Cook Mariuma Wonton Chuka Soba. And these Mariuma cups, I've seen these for sale up in Canada, and they're like $5 a pop. This is a score. They're generally really good. The noodles are really nice. And yeah, wonton. Wonton, man. Cool. And finally, to round out the box, we've got Nissan Raw with their Tantan ramen pack version. I'm pretty sure I've had the bowl version of this. It's in an octagonal bowl, and they're pretty neat. But this is the pack version, and Raw is synonymous with they're good. They're really good. It's like the premium line from Nissan Foods. So we'll be checking that out this week. All right, so in this Nakama noodle box, the Noodle Birthday Bash for August 2024, you get Tantanmen, It's a Mario, Wonton Chuka Soba, a cold noodle, Maze Soba, Stamina, hot and sour tomato, something a little spicy, and your informational leaflet. Well, thank you very much to the kind folks over at Nakama Noodles for sending this box. And once again, you can go to Miau, M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider and get yourself one of these boxes. I'm honestly stoked when these are on the way. I am like super happy. So, but yeah, like I said, I made a bunch of chashu, got everything all set. I even got mung bean sprouts, so I'm stoked. I'm ready to get down on these. So, this has been Ons the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.